nice cars here, really. Batman, boy. And you got Brian. I don't know where I'm parking at. I don't know where I go. I don't know. Somewhere around here. I don't know. I think up here. I don't know for sure. Let's go see. We'll park first. All right. I've been here a little bit, but I've been trying to clean the car, just little touches as I go along. But I had to do the wheels and then do the interior a little bit with some shining. And you know you had to get your boy the anime on there, boy. We got Luffy, we got All Might, we got Vegeta, Ace, Luffy again, but I got some more in the back. But some very nice cars. I'll walk around here soon and get some more footage, but let me get this together, finish my shit, and then I will move around. Oh, DK Drift King Waddle Speedo.
Yeah.
Body kit, whole Velside body kit. Got the flakes in there, boy. Looks nice in there too, smells good. The Ismos. Look, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk down the line. We're gonna walk down the line. I don't want to be too random. We got John sitting over there. Oh man. I'm gonna walk around. I'll come back. Nice.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself when I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright waist. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like at a meal. Once in a while, feel all that. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
a motorcycle engine in it? He's got his twins out. Oh, he's welcome. Hey, GT, look. My boy already know what he's gonna be. That's a boy, ain't it?
Yep.
Okay.
Khalil.
Khalil.
Superman's name.
What's it?
Abigail.
Abigail. I like y'all. I like the way you guys think. Y'all are smart already. Look at this. Nismo baby and GTR baby. Ooh, Nissan. I didn't know y'all make babies. Nice. He's like, man, if you don't put this pacifier in my mouth, you know what time it is.
They don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single deed. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unshoe, key ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves. Talk about, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me.
Wow, so this car is 1971, never been restored.
Door, fender on front, fast change.
Parts change
Yeah.
just for door, trunk, and door. Wow. But very nice. 1971. He said that was a 75. And very nice. Never been restored. So this is how this car. How long have you had the car? How long have you had car? How long have you had the car? You buy new?
Yeah,
New?
yeah.
Wow. Original.
Yeah.
Wow. Good man. He bought this car new and it's had it ever since 1971. Original AC. The AC unit, because it take up, they got the whole space that comes out. Japanese culture, man. Japanese car culture is a different thing. It's not, they modify their cars to where their liking is, and that's the way I want to do mine. So that's the way I do my stuff. Check this out.
ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So pretty much this concludes our day of the car show. I really enjoyed it. Had a nice time talking with some good people and seeing some very beautiful cars. So I liked it. I like it.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you mad. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.